Welcome to Water Country USA and our latest episode of Doc Travels on Dave Doc DIY. I wanted to focus on these cabanas out of all of the content that I got at Water Country USA because the park kind of speaks for itself. I think this adds to the experience while you're here, and I want to talk about the cost and whether it's worth it. We got the cabana by Surfers Bay, which was $300. You show up and then you go check in right at this post up top here. After you check in, they give you your cabana number, and as you can see, you have a table here, you have a refrigerator, you have 2 lounge chairs, you have a fan. It is very much worth it because the areas around all of the sitting areas in Water Country USA, as far as the kiddie pools go, as far as the wave pool goes, they get very crowded and you're going to have to fight for your space. So it's nice to just know that you have your space for the day there. It really can make for a much better experience. Not to mention you also get to hear the countdown every time the wave pool hits. Now, we were a family of 5, but it's a 6-person cabana, so you get 6 meal tickets, so you have multiple restaurants that you can choose from. I personally chose the bacon cheeseburger, as you can see here. Totally worth it, especially when you're a family of 5. Meals can get expensive, and that just kind of is a reduction of the cost of having your own private cabana. There's also multiple Cabana Locations, which is near the Hubba Highway as well, and other areas of the park. The Hubba Highway is great, a great spot to hang out, float around, and just relax. Here you can see they had plenty of kids slides for my kids because some of the bigger rides, as you can see here, they were a little intimidating for them. Would I have loved to go on, I'm sure, but I had no problem with them enjoying themselves on all the kids rides because, as you can see, they went on these slides plenty of times. I think they went on this one about at least 5 times, and then this slide they probably went down another 5 times. And there's other areas and splash zones for kids which are really great. I would recommend it for any family, even if you have young kids. Now, the second part of Doc Travels is coming up as we enter Busch Gardens, which I have plenty of content from there. I just wanted to share how great of an experience we had at Water Country USA by renting the cabana. I think the cabana is really what made our day at Water Country USA, so stay tuned for another episode of Doc Travels, Busch Gardens, Williamsburg, Virginia coming up. Thank you for liking and subscribing. See you next time.